Hey guys, it's almost Halloween and we're bringing you another Frappuccino. This one's called Frankenstein's Monster. The first thing you want to do is decorate the inside of your cup with some chocolate syrup. You just want enough so that your sprinkles stick to the side of the cup. But you can add more if you want. This is what the inside looks like. Now you're going to want to take some sprinkles and you're going to open it up and pour them on the inside of the cup to stick to the chocolate syrup. These sprinkles have pumpkins, ghosts, and little bats. I thought they were adorable. You don't want too many, but you just want enough so that way it'll be around the entire cup, like this. Next, take a little bit of some different colored sprinkles from the same bundle and do the same thing. Open up one cosmopolitan ice cream sandwich and throw it into your blender. Then you want 2 large scoops of vanilla bean ice cream. This stuff is so delicious. It gives the perfect kick for your Frappuccino. Now pour in 2 tablespoons of the Italian wedding cake syrup. Add you 1½ cups of milk. I'm using whole milk. Half a cup of the oatmeal cookie creamer, non-dairy. Delicious. We're adding 1 tablespoon of chocolate Nesquik powder. This stuff makes it more chocolatey, and I love it so much. Now place the lid on your blender, and you're going to want to blend it together. Who's ready for spooky season? I know I am. Pour 1.5 cups of some mocha iced coffee. Blend it one more time to get that great Frappuccino mix. Pour the mixture directly into your cup. On top, add some sweet vanilla cold foam. This stuff is so good. Swirl the top with some extra creamy whipped cream. Love it. And last but not least, add you a handful of the same sprinkles we used in the bottom of the cup. And there you have it, guys. That's how you make the Frankenstein Monster Frappuccino. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to follow me for more content and yummy recipes. See you on the next video.